Hey, so if you want cleaner links, better tracking, and more clicks on your social media posts, yeah, Bitly can make a huge difference. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to use Bitly for social media links effectively. First, go to Bitly and create a short link for your content like a website, product page, or video. Customize your link, yeah, so it looks clean and relevant to your post. This builds trust and improves clicks. Now add your Bitly link to your posts, captions, bio, or comments, depending on the platform. Bitly lets you track clicks, so you can see which posts are performing best. Create separate links for each platform, yeah, so you can compare performance across them. You can also use Bitly links inside link in bio tools or landing pages. Generate QR codes for your links and use them in offline promotions or stories. And finally, analyze your click data and improve your content strategy based on what works best. So yeah, that's how to use Bitly for social media links. Once you start tracking and optimizing, your engagement can improve a lot. If this helped, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.